know.
What?
What's up, K versus Kai? So I'm gonna do a prank today. It's called what should it be called? My fiance broke my back prank, or pranking my fiance that my back broke? I don't know. It could be titled any of those things. So before we get this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And yeah, hopefully when I call him upstairs to give me a massage, I'm gonna have this water bottle hidden under that pillow so I can grab it and be like, and kind of be like, kind of trick him. He'd be like, oh, what was that? What was that? What was that? You know? So hopefully this prank goes good and is not like a flop or like a fail. But yeah, let's get straight into this prank. Kevin? Kevin? Kevin!
What?
Can you come give me a massage?
No!
Come! My back! My back's been stiff.
No! That's not a you problem.
Come already.
Why are you bothering me for, man?
Can you give me a massage?
Can you give me a massage?
On my back, my lower back.
Can you give me a massage?
After.
Your hands are weak. Your little girly hands.
Obviously. Come on.
Hold on. I got something to drink.
Are you serious?
Yeah, bro. I'm thirsty.
2,000 years later.
Just hurry up.
I'm coming, man. Relax.
I'm gonna lay down for you. You give me the massage. Ugh. Okay.
Yeah, you like that? Yeah, you like that?
Nice.
I guess. But don't be too rough.
Like that? Yeah. Yeah, you like that, eh? Huh? You like that?
Ow!
Huh?
Come on.
Huh? You like that?
Eventually.
Oh my god.
You like that?
Ah!
You like that? Yeah, I know you like that. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. You want a massage or not?
Sure, but I didn't know it was gonna be like this.
Yeah, you like that. I know you like that. Ah. Yeah.
You massaging my bum now?
Yeah, I gotta do everything.
Oh my gosh. Ow. Okay, move to the next.
Good.
No, you're not done yet. Go
This is my hands hurts.
Go more to the bottom.
6.5 hours later.
No, you could go more rough, please.
No.
Kevin!
What?
What the heck?
What?
That hurts!
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Why are you doing it like that?
Are you okay?
No. What the hell? Why are you laughing?
Are you okay?
No, it felt like you popped my like spine in. It felt like you like poof, right down.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby. Are you okay?
No, stop massaging. It hurts. So freaking annoying.
But you're sitting up, so I guess you're fine.
Yeah, cause it it hurts. Why do you think my hand is on my back?
Oh, you poor thing.
You just went like boom.
Oh, you poor thing. Are you okay? Yeah. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, boo.
No,
Baby.
I'm annoyed.
You're always annoyed.
I'm annoyed. You broke my back.
So what do you
I already have problems with my back, and then you made it worse.
What do you want me to do? I'm sorry.
It's always so damn wild, whatever. I'm annoyed. Ruined my damn plan.
Your plan. What was your plan? Tell me about plan. Hello?
You ruined my plan.
What plan?
I was supposed to prank you with this freaking water bottle to make it seem like you hit my back, but instead using this, you actually bent my back.
Sorry.
Like this whole prank just whatever. I'm done.
Sorry. Give me a hug. Maybe next time you can try better.
I'm sorry.
Forgive me?
Okay.
You forgive me?
Sure.
You forgive me?
Sure.
Good. Okay. I'm gonna go back downstairs.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Hi, welcome to the future. Okay, so the prank that you guys have seen of the back prank, that was a couple of months ago, I would say, and it was a fail. He literally hurt my back, and he knows I have arthritis already, so the fact that he did that and my prank kind of was a fail, it kind of messed up my back even more. So I just want to tell you guys, if you guys ever felt like you were able to move freely, or if you guys ever want to move freely, for the people who suffer with arthritis or tendonitis or anything like that, because I do, and now he made it worse. If yes, I do too, that's for sure. My back pain has actually been getting worse, and it's pretty depressing, to be honest. I should have not done that prank. It was a failed prank. It ruined my back even more. This back pain is so painful. I will always focus on my back pain only, and it'll even eat up all of my thoughts of everything. It'll surround me with negative energy, and it sucks because like I would want to take a walk, I would want to go to the gym, I would want to do this, but it hurts so bad for me to even do. If you already have back pain, for you young or older people that watch our videos, we can get rid of this shit together, okay? I got you. I've been looking for effective ways to heal my back. Even though I already have arthritis, so it's not going to really heal the arthritis, but it will heal the pain that I have now over that. I've been so busy and so tired going to therapies or having doctors tell me, you have to stretch, you have to do this. It hurts, okay, I can't. All the doctors along the way got paid for doing absolutely nothing. So obviously I'm going there and seeing them, and they're just doing the job and telling me the same stuff over and over again. I could not find any solutions to help my back until I did find this program called Buy Back Pain Masterclass. This was a Healthy Related Institute's Buy Back Pain Method Research Institute offered me to heal my back with the method called Buy Back Pain Method Masterclass. They wanted me to do an honest review of the way that they heal the back, so I said yes, heal my back. So that's what I tried to do. So I'm gonna put the Facebook page in the description box below and on this screen right here. You guys can see the posts. They also share free helpful life hacks for you guys. You don't have to only pay for the masterclass. I've tried one of these hacks and it is very helpful. For me, it really helped with my difficulty of doing certain movements, such as bowing, picking up stuff, so on, so on. So this is the page. It'll be scrolling on the screen right now. So first thing I asked to myself is, what is BBP method? Because I was kind of confused. And how do they cure back pain? So let me explain to you. BB method is the non-drugs natural solution for back pain sufferers, made in collaboration, made with doctors, physical therapists, yoga experts, people with acute or severe chronic lower back pain, people who want to strengthen their back muscles, and people with no back pain but want to avoid having it in the future. People who spend 10 hours or more on their feet, and athletes who has intense lower back pain, and people who do heavy work. That is almost everyone, and this is why Bye Bye Back Pain Method Masterclass will help you, like how it's helping me. And they offer live coaching with their coaches on scheduled time. Now we are planning to try the first module on the next video, so that's why you have to stay tuned on K vs K, and as I definitely keep you updated on my journey with my BBP method through upcoming videos. I bet you don't want to miss it. Also, you can follow them on Facebook and go on their websites as well. Facebook and the website is in the description box to see further information. Next video will be when my fiance Kevin will play Fortnite, so when he gets a kill, I can do a sexy pose. And you don't want to miss me doing sexy poses. So that's it. Sorry for the ramble, I had to. And yeah, I'm gone, I'm out. See you guys in the next video. Bye!